This isn't your typical food pantry. This isn't your typical classroom. This isn't a cafeteria.
So who's going to work at this station?
This is the Fort Mill School District Backpack Program.
High five, that's awesome. Good job.
Our backpack program is for our students that have food insecurities, and we are able to offer them some stability as far as their food when they're not in school.
We write a grant every year through Springs Foundation, and they actually fund the purchase of the food that we get from Second Harvest. They ship it to Fort Mill School District, and we pack the backpacks here ourselves and distribute them. Awesome, you did a great job tying it.
One aspect that makes this program unique is that special needs students like sophomore Princess and senior Melanie are packing the bags. They are learning skills that they can adapt to future work environments, like
teamwork, stacking shelves.
How are you feeling when you're doing that?
Happy. I like doing it all day on Fridays.
So we teach students vocational skills at school that they can then apply when they go out and do work-based learning experiences in the community.
they pack over 200 bags weekly, which they hold until distribution day.
There we go. Oh, good job.
Students from Nation Ford High School load bags onto a school bus to be delivered to Fort Mill schools. The bags would then be held in the school's offices for the students to pick up.
We do have some students who are a little embarrassed or think that, they are different than others. So we kind of, just tell them that this is a resource for you.
Ashton Platts works as a counselor at Springfield Middle School, where she helps students that are enrolled in the backpack program.
There is a demand and a need for this program within our district. Especially here at Springfield Middle School, we have a heavy transient population, so having that kind of safety net is necessary.
I think that this shows how much we really care as a school district about our community and the students that we serve.
How are y'all?
Good.
It's so good to see you.
In addition to learning valuable packing skills, students develop interpersonal skills by interacting with school staff.
Look at you guys know exactly what you're doing. I love it.
When delivering the bags.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
I think it's important for our students to learn different social skills or to interact with people that are not the people they see every day.
Can I have y'all just put it right there on the floor?
Yeah.
But these are people that they take the bins into the schools. They have to say hello to the people at the front desk.
Hello, Nation Ford. How are you guys?
It is really beneficial for our students. Having them participate in community service is beneficial. We often find that there's so many people that do and help students with disabilities. This gives them an opportunity to do and help other people. So I do think it makes the students feel good.
I like to help.
How do you feel when you know you're helping so many good people out there?
Good.
Opportunities. Opportunities to learn. Opportunities to grow. Opportunities to help.
And even if it is just a food bag, something that's, one might think is so small, it can change somebody's day and provide them with that push and that ounce of encouragement that they might need.